Geekdom. This is Chipmunk doing another reaction. Today we're reacting to a horror short film, but this is an animated horror short film. This is Nightingale. I wanted to check it out and see what's happening with it. I feel like I wanted to use it for Animation Monday, but I was like, I don't know. But yeah, whichever day you're seeing this on, if it's Monday or Friday, that's the date that, it's gonna be either Friday or Animation Monday. But I think this would be definitely for Animation Monday. Let's go ahead and check this out. See exactly how this goes. Nightingale. Oh, this was uploaded by Mr. Friend. So check out Mr. Friend in the descriptions below. My first time looking at anything from them, so hopefully it's pretty good. Let's check this out. Mr. Friend presents Mr. Friend TV. Okay. I don't know if I can play this music, but I guess. Who you are when you wish upon. Oh God. I don't know exactly how the lyrics go, nigga, but it's a good song. Extreme wish
far away from Earth, through the cosmic rift, alone in space, does the Nightingale drift. At the edge of our solar system, a rather long trip.
Okay.
Amongst the bright shining stars, one man fixing his ship.
Hopefully he's not alone. Why does it sound like someone died?
That seems to
Someone just flatlined? The hell?
Time to head back now.
M Corp. Welcome, John G. Long day. Day 246. Successfully
Well done, John.
logged.
Another good day of work.
Is this the family? Oh. I think it's actually crazy some of the stuff. Because I've seen ads and stuff asking for people who would like to volunteer to go to Mars. And the trip, how long it would take and everything, it said you'll be gone away from Earth. And then what you'll be doing is just as far as just trying to do agriculture and stuff like that. But I was like, you have to not have like a family you care about to actually do something like that. Like, you have to be someone who's I would think, someone who's definitely a loner, someone who's definitely doesn't care about being around people as much. I can't remember the word for something. Introvert.
Okay back there, Molly?
You definitely have to be an introvert.
Yes, Daddy. Mr. Hutchins and I are having ever so much fun. What's that? You want to play with Daddy? Mr. Hutchins wants to play together with you. Oh, does he now? Well, tell Mr. Hutchins that once we get to Grandma's, I'll be...
You're not watching. Oh, gosh. I was always afraid that that would happen when I drove. I'm gonna throw my aunt under the bus, but we as a family had went to I don't know where they got this van from, but it's this long ass van. But we had went to Six Flags as a group. My aunt was driving, and let me tell you, every time that she we talk to each other and she wants to join into the conversation and talk, she would look all the way back. Like she was talking to somebody in the back seat, she would turn her body all the way around while driving to look at the person. You don't have to look at me to talk. I mean, I just keep keep your eyes on the road. Yeah. But yeah, something I definitely was afraid of years and years ago when I was younger. He's lucky he survived this. Especially with no huge injuries. Other members of his family not so lucky, you know. Oh my gosh. That will haunt me for the rest of my life.
Oh my, it appears you've had another one of your bad dreams.
Understandable. Why is that door open?
That door was definitely closed before you fell asleep. John went over to the door. It was very dark.
Oh my gosh.
Huh? What's that? Mr. Hutches? Huh? There isn't supposed to be anyone else on this ship.
Which is crazy. Who would send someone by themselves on a long trip? Something this over, like almost gonna be over a year. It's close to a year. Trip like that is crazy. I was like, why the hell would I be alone to do and fix everything on the ship? Something happens to me, this mission fails. If I just suddenly just pass away, the mission is done. It's over with. Yeah, you definitely got me messed up. And you follow anyway. Come on, narrator. Talk about how dumb this decision is. Computer's flatlining, gotta help you. I can't remember what that sound is, but it definitely sounds familiar.
What the?
That's the only reaction you give? Is a what the?
Daddy. Don't leave me, Daddy.
Eyeball's gonna fall right in your mouth.
Where's Daddy's arm? What? What's going on?
Yeah, bro, you fight demons. You're all alone by yourself. You fighting your sanity there.
What's happening?
This is definitely pretty cool though. I always thought stop motion animation always was like pretty interesting. I've seen people do it with toys and everything, and it's like it's pretty
Whoa,
cool.
not her.
I was like, I don't think I have the patience to do that, but it definitely looks
Don't
pretty
you
cool.
recognize my voice? Please,
Oh,
Daddy, come back.
oh,
No, please don't.
and he's been ejected. Dang. That is crazy. He's on flatline. Shit. Upon the star, your dreams come true. Is that St. Nightingale's hospital? Hey. Oh, I've seen his other shorts before. I did see some of Mr. Friend's stuff before. So I remember this one, the man with the no mouth. I've seen that one before. I don't think I remember seeing Baby Boy Oliver, but I think it was probably another one I watched from them. With the man with the no mouth, I've definitely seen. But yeah, this is actually pretty good. I enjoyed this a lot. Um, again, like story wise, it works so well. It does the same thing other like long feature films do with the twist at the end, but it's just sped up. It's how we get to an ending. But it definitely worked pretty nicely. The stop motion looked excellent. A lot of great things about this, I would say, is as far as just it goes. Was not expecting that ending. I was thinking a whole different route when it comes to like a sci-fi horror, but they definitely went more. They definitely went different with it, different than what I thought. But that was actually pretty good. So in his state of just unconsciousness, fighting to stay alive. Was that how many days he actually was, like the login day? Was that how many days he's been in the hospital? Because that would be crazy. Man, I don't know. Because I was like, it couldn't be. And he just suddenly, right now, passed. But it seems like multiple times and cases he has flatlined and brought him back to life. His family's been there by his side. Man, that's tough. That is definitely tough. The excellent job with this. This was so nicely done. Again, check out Mr. Friend in the comments below. Excellent short. But I don't know if the Wish Upon a Star is something that can be used. Definitely is. Like when you hear that song, you think of Disney. And so I don't know if that would be the case of Disney getting anybody off of this song, but I'm like, specifically Pinocchio. I was going to say Pokio. So who the hell is that? Pinocchio. Definitely think of Wish Upon a Star for Pinocchio. So it's like, I don't know if that But I think it fits nicely with this story too, and fits with how they just had it. It just worked pretty nicely, I thought. I don't know if that was the whole major point of just doing this as well, was to do the Wish Upon a Star. Like for myself, when I do AMVs, I do it because of one, the song. The song has to match up to an anime, and I usually would like listen to a song, and I think of the actions. I would think of what would be happening. I would think of the story. I would think of the anime when I hear a certain song. So it's like music really does play a part into actually like creating something, or your creative minds and stuff juices going sometimes. So yeah, I don't know what's the case for him though, or Mr. Friend. But good. Again, y'all let me know what y'all think about this in the comments below. If you like this video, please put a like on the video. If you'd like to subscribe to see some more of my reactions and other type of videos, please do. Thank you all so much for jumping on and giving me a try. I really do appreciate it. Please take care of yourselves and others. Peace, geekdom.